Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
I'm about to give myself a wash. I've been rocking them wigs since I came back from Jamaica because my hair's been in some cornrows. Go back. Who did I go back to that? Not me. But I'm due now for a wash, so I'm gonna go do that. Little Miss also needs a wash, but between how cold it's been and the cough, my spirit is not moving me to wet up her head. Don't say it never kill nobody. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I want to try to redo maybe like our front so that you know look so raggedy, but I don't know. But not wet up our ear. So anyway, I'm gonna go wet up mine and then figure out what I'm gonna do afterwards, because I might just put in back some cornrows because the cold and I'm not in the mess. Like, I'm putting on a tam anyway. When I have on the wigs, I don't have to put on a tam most of the time. So I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, wash day. By the way, welcome to this week's vlog.
I see you in everything. You're working it all out for me. Oh, what can I do but sing and give to you all the glory? You put all my fears to rest. I bring to you my anxiety. Oh, I am forever blessed. Your passion is always chasing me. You are maker of all things. You are lover of all beings. My Redeemer, bearing all my pain. You are Jesus, and I love to sing your name. I see you in everything. Such kindness in my own story. Oh, what can obscure?
I've already showered and I haven't done anything else yet. I'm going to put my hair in a low bun and Well, I don't know. I probably need to wear a hat if I'm not wearing a wig. And I'm going to get dressed. I'm going to also be driving myself to work, which is not how I usually do it. So babe has gone outside to get the car ready. He's like cleaning, I guess, off the snow and warming up and things like that. So he's getting the car ready for me. But I will be driving myself today. So let's go.
My maker, maker of all things, you are lover, lover of all beings, my redeemer, all my pain, you are Jesus.
I must have warmed this coffee up like this single cup of coffee I've been drinking for a solid 2 hours. I must have warmed it up like 2 or 3 times. I'm finally trying to finish it. So happy Saturday. I have been hiding all of this week. I didn't really record anything, and you know, like, I have to start now if I'm going to have anything to post next Friday. So like I said, I've been hiding. I went out maybe twice this week. I went in office one of those days, and listen, I was just going from building to building, building to car to building, and I still, like, my mouth, like, around my lips, like, on top, it gets burnt so bad. So it was getting really burned and split, and I was just like, oh my god, I can't. Like, mentally, the cold was getting to me. I was getting strung out, but luckily, as of yesterday, it broke. So we're down to about 0. And I am well into the Stockholm syndrome at this point, where 0 is like, thank you. We could do that. We could deal. That is not something I would have said 3 years ago. We're coming up on 3 years that I've lived in Saskatchewan. Can you believe it? In 2 months, it'll be 3 years since I've lived here. But anyway, the house looks super lived in. I've stripped the beds. Got some sheets into the machine, and I'm gonna make myself go to the gym. It's like really and truly, you know, a little bit more for the mental aspect than the physical aspect, but I'm gonna make myself go. Babe says he's not feeling very well, but I do need to make a run to Sarkan. That hasn't been priority with the weather, and so we've got quite a bit of recyclables that need to go. Yes. Yeah, so welcome. Look at this. It's from our windows. Eek. I was wondering if it's mold, but babe thinks it might be just because of the moisture. But just in case, I'm gonna spray it down with some vinegar, and then afterwards wipe it down with some bleach. It's mostly just dust along there, but this is right where I guess some of the moisture could come in. It's not really any of that down there. I'm gonna wipe those off too, but yeah, so I'm going to just wipe the windows down, all of it, but most my intent is mostly to spray in there, and then I wipe the whole window down in both bedrooms and stuff. I should check the doors as well to see if that's also there, and then clean that up. Guys, I wanted to talk to you about my my orchids. So last week hubby bought me flowers, right? It was Valentine's Day or anniversary. He bought me flowers. Now because he bought these flowers, I am already emotionally attached. Like, it's my flowers that my husband bought me, so I'm already emotionally attached. But starting about Saturday or Sunday, I realized that every time I passed a certain point in the house, I smelled piss. Bear with me, I'm trying to curb how colorful my language tends to be. I'm working on it. Okay, so every time I passed, I smelled pee, right? It's just like it would just be like a whiff. And it started to really irritate me. And I was like, what is that? Where is it coming from? I don't know. And obviously I've started to look for it. And if you've noticed in my vlog last week, there were two really cute little hearts that were on the counter. I bought those maybe a year ago from Dollarama for Valentine's Day decorations, and they were sitting there, and my daughter smelled it and she was like, I think it's these. So I smelled it and it does smell like pee. And I was like, how? Why it smell like pee? Anyway, I tried to clean it off or something, and it didn't work. I would still sit there, and the pee smell was just getting stronger and stronger. So I threw them away. I threw them away because I was like, ain't no way. I can't do this. I can't deal. I threw them away. The scent did not go away. And so I'm sitting there all week for a couple more days. Not all week. For a couple more days, smelling the thing and trying to find it. And because the decorations were so close to the flowers, one might to smell the flowers. The flowers, they smelled like pee. And then Abby was like, just throw them away. And I'm like, no, I'm attached. Like, these are my flowers that you bought me, sir. But they smell like pee. So I looked it up. It's the type of orchids, and they're known to smell like that, like piss. They smell like pee. And I think that, so when we first had the flowers, I'm gonna insert the clip, they were closed. So the orchids in the bouquet, they were closed when he bought them. And as you know, they've been in the water, it's been several days, they've been blooming and opening up, they smell like piss. So this is just a warning to anybody. Men, if you're buying your ladies flowers, them pink orchids, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Because I had to throw them out. I was like, you can't imagine anybody come over me and I smell piss. What they're gonna think? But it hurt my heart a little bit because, like I said, those are my flowers that my husband bought me, and I get very sentimental and I get attached to sentimental things very, very easily, especially when it has to do with my husband. But I just wanted to tell y'all, stay away from them pink orchids. They have a obviously scientific name. Just Google orchids smell like pee. That's what I googled and found the information. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here and go to the gym.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
Better there was some ice that was frozen in there, but I meant it does look better. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, good stuff.
front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Isn't it a meat crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a good life. Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. to keep you off my mind. I can't hold to it. You make it easy, but every time I fall back again. Tell me all the secrets, 'cause baby I can see the end. Don't slow down. I just need you to say you won't let go. I will keep my heart wide open.
I'm tired. I've got another load of laundry going. But I don't think I'm gonna do any more. That's it for today. That's the last one. I'm gonna finish pulling out the little one's hair, which I already started, and then give her a wash. And that's the last of my energy for today. Man. The plot them look good though.
Thank you. Thank you.
Boy. But it's sad.
To be honest, I want this kind of hair right now. To be honest, I want this kind of hair right now. And the curl at the end. How I did the curls is this. This the brush. And this the